Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to tasks on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working in Asana and you want to go ahead and add tags. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto Asana. Next, click on one of the tasks, and then let's go ahead and click on one of these tags. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on these three dots on the upper right-hand corner, and then click on Add Tags. So as you can see, we've already added tags to this one here, but if you want to go ahead and add a new tag, we'll go to a different task, click on the three dots, click on Add Tags. Now, in order to add a new tag, all you got to do is type in that new tag. So we're just going to type in Facebook here, and it's going to say Create a Tag for Facebook, and there you have it. Go ahead and select the color and boom. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add tags to a task on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.